This glass 3D printer, it was one of the world's first technology at the time, and CATIA were very instrumental in bringing that sort of designs and concept into reality.
Today I'm with Chikara Inamura, an architect at Co-Architects and a longtime CATIA user. Chikara, could you introduce yourself, please?
I'm a former researcher at MIT Media Lab, and then I currently direct a research group at Co-Architects as the director of digital technology.
Can you speak about a few of the projects where you've used CATIA in the past?
Yeah. Absolutely. I think one of the key projects that I was working on at Zaha Hadid Architects in London was the project with Soho China in Beijing called Galaxy Soho. That was 4 buildings interconnected in a space. Me and my best friend, Cristiano Ceccato, we moved to Beijing and then start training local partners, and then really started building like a lot of tools within CATIA for geometry optimizations, automations, and then a series of interop between CATIAs and other platforms to basically deliver the projects.
Is there a particular project that stands out in addition to Galaxy Soho?
I started my career as an architect, and then I started practicing as a structural engineer for a while. And that sort of combination of the two disciplines sort of led to leading a development of one of the very world first 3D printing technology for glass. The platform weighs about half a tonnage, and then it operates at a temperature of close to 2000 Fahrenheit. At that sort of elevated temperature, general construction material would not withstand due to an elevated temperatures and accelerated oxidizations. It was very important for us to sort of bring in the real-world material constraints and properties all into the sort of 3D platform to really simulate the thermodynamic properties to ensure the sort of platform's stabilities and also performance. So that's where really sort of CATIA shine.
Where do you see the current state of technology in the industry today?
I would say it's more to do with the culture and the people than the technology itself. I strongly believe that the collaboration is the key to everything we do in our industries, and it's cloud native solutions that the 3D experience offers is definitely a way to go.